What's up, guys? Ben's back with another video. Okay, look there. Okay, so obviously school gave me a new Rubik's cube, if that's what it's called. Here it is. I'm gonna sort it out. You guys can rent this to me, try and sort this out. Oh, I remember a long time ago when I was a little toddler, I had a massive one. It was like a 6 cube. You know, it was massive, it was huge. And basically me trying to sort it out, and I remember me dropping it or something, and it smashed, bro, all over the floor, bro. So every cube, I remember, bro. I remember it was either mine or Daniel's or Jess's, but I think it was mine. And boom, it was all over the floor. It was in town. It was embarrassing because everyone was staring. I remember everything. So this brings back memories. But hey, let's sort this out. This was all in the right places, but as soon as I found it, I kind of messed it. I kind of messed it up. Now I'm in this place, just kind of. You should, if you're going through some stuff, bro, you should have this. Have this right now, bro. Have this. This could really help you be productive and get you kind of zone out. This helps me zone out. Like when there's stuff going on and I'm thinking too much, this helps me zone out and just stay in the moment with this Rubik's cube and trying to sort it out. Like it's some kind of puzzle or something, you know. I like this one. Let's see. And guys, I think next week we should push back. I think next week, guys, I'll be having a college interview. I think I've been told that. I've been told that by my mum. I think that next week I'll be having some kind of college interview or just visiting it or something like that. I don't know, something like that. But stay focused. I'm gonna stay focused now. I'm getting distracted because the camera's right in front of me, but I'm gonna stay focused. Stay focused. Let's see. Guys, this may look easy, but this is freaking hard, bro. This might take a couple months for me to really solve this out. Let's see. I know as you guys can see, bro. Yes, I did come back. I did just come back from school, so yeah. Let's just get that out of the way. This will take a while. Wow. Bro, I'm believe in yourself. I need to believe in myself. I shall never give up, bro. I should not give up. I should keep on pushing no matter what the circumstances are. I should keep on pushing, bro. I'm gonna keep on going. No doubt. Hey, look at that. Hello, little. It's a bird. It's some kind of bird. But hey, focus on me, not the bird. You guys can see it. It's legit behind you guys. It's legit behind you guys. I'll show you guys right now. But then I'm not gonna let you. I'm not gonna let you guys see. But hey, hello. Oh. Oh, this is annoying. Uh, let me do a thumbnail real quick. I'm gonna do actually no, I'm gonna do a different way of doing a thumbnail. Oh God. The pattern is always this way. Always. Blue, 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 and then a random red. Always, bro. Or like orange, 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 white. It's like always. Stop doing that. Oh, man. Trying to give me a heart attack or something. Like, chill. Be nice to me. Yo, bro. I cannot deal with it. I cannot deal with it. I can't. I just can't. Stop messing with my emotions. Oh my days. I repeat. Stop messing with my emotions. This is actually annoying me. I would do this to you. Stop playing with me. I'm so awkward, aren't I, guys? Guys, this is actually annoying me, though. Oh, that was such an awkward. That was such an awkward way to get, man. Okay, but this is actually annoying me, though. This is actually annoying me, guys. I'm being real. This is annoying. This is actually annoying. This is something that's oh, bro, this is day one of trying to solve this thing out, and I'm already stressed. I'm already angry. I'm already angry about this. This is not cool. This is not cool. No. No. Come on, yo. I can't. No, you know, guys. I always say this is my motto, guys. Keep on moving forward, bro. I'm gonna keep on moving forward. See how I just kind of felt like giving up. I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna keep on moving, bro. I'm gonna keep on trying. I'm gonna try it after this whole video is over as well, guys. Because this is a good way to keep yourself busy. Just get your mind busy always. If you want to get your mind busy, try Rubik's Cube. This will get you busy all day, any day. All day, any day. Damn, this is so hard. Yo guys, I'll spend my whole afternoon trying to figure this out. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and obviously keep on moving forward. Love you all guys, have a great one. I would make a longer video guys, and I really do, but guys, I've got so much to do guys. I'm honestly busy. Well, not really, but I would want to record downstairs. But obviously mom's there shouting, talking. I mean, not stuff. It's the way her accent is. Her accent is Congolese. And if you guys don't know, my mom was originally born in Congo, okay, and then obviously she flew here, and that's when I was born, and my brother and my little sister. So yes, so she originally speaks Congolese. Congolese is her Lingala is her main language. So basically, it's not like she's shouting, but Lingala, the way she talks, it makes it sound like she's shouting, but she really isn't. She's just, Lingala makes you talk so loud, you know, but she's not really, she's just normally talking, but she can't help it because it's just the way Lingala is. I see where I can see where it is with her language. And in her country, it's Lingala. Two languages that I know that she speaks: Lingala and French, and obviously English. She speaks English because she learned English here as well. So yeah, I would record downstairs, but my mom is a loud talker and she hates it. She hates when I record the conversations, especially when she's talking on the phone. And obviously I need to change into my clothes, bro. Like this, I don't want to wear this any longer. I'm out of school. Let's celebrate that I'm out of school. And obviously I got to eat my dinner and all that. So guys, I would make a longer video if I could, but I'm too busy, guys. I've got so much to do, you know. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys will take care of yourselves, you know, focus on you, and keep on moving forward, guys. Peace. And if you want to keep yourself productive mentally, you can always buy yourself a Rubik's Cube. Peace. See you on the flip side.